one of the earpiece isn't working. So I'm not getting any kind of sound from one of the earpiece. I was thinking about fixing it.
But I don't have this kind of 3.5mm audio jack, but you can buy it pretty cheap on eBay. I ordered some, but it still isn't arrived. When I arrived it, I will make another video using this 3.5mm jack.
So what happened, basically from here the wire is broken. So if I can join this broken wire with this 3.5mm jack, I hope this headphone will work again. So let's see what happens. I'm just testing it for you guys. So this one is working, but this one is dead. This one is not working. So guys, let's fix it. Now I'm going to cut it open using a plate or something sharp you can use. So this is the jack. Now cut the wire from here to lower. Yeah, this much. This will work. Just keep them lower. Now here is 4 wire. This is the left side wire. This one is right side is red on. This red green is ground, and this wire, this yellow wire, this one is also ground. Now take a gas lighter and burn this front mass of these wires, and it will help to solder. Soldering the blue wire on the top. Yeah. Now join these both ground wire together and solder it here. Okay, if everything is fine, the resistance between this ground and left right pin is around 17 ohm. Okay, fine. And between right and left will be 34. Yeah. Now testing it on my phone. Both of them is working. Now I'm going to use this aim seal. Yep, this one to cover it up. The headphone jack turned out pretty good. What do you think, guys? So now plug it on my phone and test it. Showing 3.5mm headphone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure you smack the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe for upcoming more videos, and I'll meet you on my next video. Till then, peace.